All right, we're back at it today. They said that it didn't cool down as much last night as they had hoped, and so it's possible that we'll get shut down again today, but right now we're going. So yeah, it's been a pretty good morning so far. One of the coolest things about these machines, I'm running a defoliator back here, I don't know if you can see that, but one of the coolest things I think is that these machines have rear steer on them. So there's a set of wheels on the back of the machine that I'm pulling, and I can steer the back of the machine with this lever here. So if I push it down, it'll turn one way, and if I push the lever the other way, it'll turn the other way. Okay, thought I'd just tell you a little bit more about how this machine works. In addition to the rear steer, which is on this fourth lever over here, I also have two other levers to use. The first one is the lever that runs the hydraulics connected to the scalpers on the back of the machine. So if I pull the back, it lifts the scalpers up. If I push it forward, it puts the scalpers down. If you push it all the way forward, it goes into what's called float, and that just lets them kind of sit on the ground with gravity. They're not being pushed down or held up. They're just set down and let to ride there. So when I'm driving in the rows, I just push it all the way forward, let it go all the way down, and then just let gravity hold it down on the ground. And then I have the second lever, and this one runs the hydraulic cylinder on the front of the defoliator, and that lifts up the defoliator or puts it down from the front here. So we're running it down all the way. We have put a few stops in so that it doesn't actually go as far down as it can, but we've set it where we think it's good. And then if we're going down the road or whatever, we'll lift it all the way up to transport to another field. The height of the front of the defoliator is what will set the height of the flail choppers that are underneath the main part of the defoliator. They're these rubber and metal flails, and they're going around a cylinder and mowing up the tops of the beets. And then of course we have the scalpers on the back, which I need to go up and down with on the first lever. It's really important at the end of the row before I back up that I lift up the scalpers, otherwise I run them over, and that would be very bad. So thankfully I've not done that ever, I don't think, but definitely want to remember to do that every time. One of the other controls I have for the defoliator on the back is the PTO. And so this yellow lever, when I push it forward, will engage the PTO shaft, which is on the tractor. It will spin, and then we connect it to the PTO shaft on the defoliator, and so the tractor will turn the machine over with the PTO shaft. So we engage that, and then the whole machine turns over, and that runs the flail choppers in the main part of the machine. And then the scalpers on the back just get dragged over the top of the sugar beets, so they're not connected to the PTO at all. Then to drive the tractor, we have these levers here. This one on the left is the throttle, increases the RPMs of the engine. And then this lever here is our gear shifter. Right now it's in park, but if I bring it all the way back here, it'll be neutral. And then I have 18 gears going forward. And then you can go in reverse over here, gear 1 and 2, and then gear 3 and 4 in reverse. Well, it's about 1 o'clock, and I guess the Beet piler is shutting down today at 1:30. It's getting too warm again. So we are wrapping up here. I'll probably fuel up my tractor and service the tractor a little bit, and then that's probably it for today. When the pitch reaches a G sharp, it's almost full. Right there, that's about a what is that? C sharp? So we're gonna fuel up the tractor. These portable fuel tanks are kind of neat. You hook them up to the battery of the tractor, and then it runs the fuel pump.
Okay, second take.
All right. That's going. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button down below, and we'll see you on the next video. Also check out my brother's channel, Beet Farmer Bryce. See what he's got going on. You know, this is his farm, you know, him and my dad. Especially if you like farm videos, you're gonna wanna check out his channel. See you next time.